Namaskar. Today I am going to talk about the correct way of drinking lemon water because a good habit done wrongly can quietly become a health problem. So we will look at some common lemon water mistake, understand what effect they have on your body and then see how to correct them. Nowadays I find that lemon water has become a routine, not a remedy. Many people drink it mechanically without understanding their body, season, or digestion. You must understand that lemon is powerful and anything powerful needs correct use. The first mistake is drinking concentrated lemon water and on an empty stomach. Since lemon juice has a pH of around 2 to 3, which means it is strongly acidic. Many people add too much lemon and drink it daily on an empty stomach. If your digestion is sensitive, this repeated acidity can irritate your stomach lining, leading to acidity, burning sensation, bloating, or discomfort. So always use lukewarm water, not hot or cold. Add only few drops or at most half a lemon, depending on your tolerance. The second common mistake is not protecting your teeth. This happens when you drink strong lemon water. This happens when you drink lemon water very slowly or when you brush your teeth immediately after drinking it. Over time, this erodes tooth enamel, which can cause tooth sensitivity and cavities. The best way is to drink lemon water is after brushing your teeth, not before. Do not sip it for long period and always rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking. Taking lemon water daily without understanding body heat is also another mistake. From an Ayurvedic point of view, lemon is ushna or heating and tikshna or sharp. Many people consume it every single day throughout the year. This can aggravate pitta dosha, leading to acidity, mouth ulcers, skin rashes, excessive body heat or irritation. And as Indians living in a warm climate, we are already prone to pitta imbalance. That is why you must limit lemon water 2, 3 to 4 times a week. Do it for 2, 3 weeks and then take a break. Another mistake is believing that lemon water is a fat burning drink. Many people think lemon water directly burns fat, so they increase the quantity or frequency. Overuse actually weakens your digestion, disturbs Agni, and slows metabolism instead of improving it. Understand that lemon water is supportive. Good health and weight management comes from balanced meals, movements, proper sleep, and calm digestion. So, the problem is not lemon water. The problem is that you have to learn to use it sensibly. Now, let us see how to do that. Listen carefully. To prepare lemon water, take 1 glass of lukewarm water. Squeeze a few drops or half lemon. This depends on your preference. Don't add sugar. If needed, add a few drops of honey, but only when water is warm, not hot. Drink it slowly after brushing your teeth in the morning. When you take lemon water correctly, it can hydrate your body first thing in the morning. Provide a small amount of vitamin C because one lemon gives about 30 to 40 milligrams, nearly half of your daily needs of vitamin C. Lemon water activates your digestive secretion, so it helps with constipation or slow digestion. Helps your liver function by improving bile flow. But you must avoid or limit lemon water if you have acid reflux, gastritis, regular heartburn, mouth ulcers, sensitive teeth, pitta dosh, or any joint pain that increases due to acidity. Instead of depending only on lemon water, you can combine it with warm plain water on alternate days. Do twisting asanas like Yogendra Vakrasana to stimulate digestion. Do abdominal breathing for 5 minutes, or eat your breakfast only when you are hungry, not because it is time for breakfast. Remember, digestion improves more regularity, calmness, and proper rest than from any single ingredient. Nature gives us lemon, which is sharp, cleansing, powerful. But yoga teaches us balance, timing, and moderation. When we listen to the body, even water becomes medicine. And when we ignore it, even medicine becomes trouble. Namaskar.